Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec DP505 wide gaming case. So friend, Antec has announced the DP505 wide gaming case, and friend, at the moment many users like a look white build. Some add RGB fans, others like it more understated, and friend, features visual effects with the XF front panel design ensure a massive air intake for ideal cooling performance of the components, and ventilation grids on the top, at the bottom, and at the PSU chamber of the case accelerate the airflow, and friend, magnetic and pull out dust filters at the top and bottom allow for easy cleaning and maintenance, and friend, the 4nm non-drill tempered glass side panel lets the user show off the build, and while the interior of the chassis allow plenty of space for water cooling and case fans, and when it measures 481 into 220 into 490 and compatible with E-ATX, ATX, micro-ATX and ITX motherboards. And friend, for fan support, it can accommodate 3 120mm or 3 140mm or 2 185mm in the front, 3 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans on the top, as well as 1 120mm fan in the rear and 2 fans on the PSU shroud, and friend, 3 120mm ARGB fan in the fronts are already included in this neat gaming case. And friend, the I/O panel features the power and LED control button, 2 USB 3.0, 1 Type-C 3.2 mic and HD audio jacks, and friend, with 23mm clearance in the rear and grow on the top, as well as 8 included rubber grommets, and it offers sufficient option for cable management, allowing for a clean build and optimized airflow. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at 112 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.